Hello everybody, coming at you with all my might. Hey, this is Mike. How you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Vario case for the top case for my BMW. And I had to get the mounting bracket and everything like that. So this is the case, the mounting bracket, and the pillows for my wife. But look, we got Gateway BMW in St. Louis, Missouri. He sent me 2 BMW keys.
Ooh.
They're pretty, but they won't work with my BMW naturally. And then Paul Scooter. You don't have to show him that. But Paul Scooter from, where was that from again? Alright, are you seeing me?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so here we go. There's the top box. Let's pull it out all nice like, you know, that would make it easier. So, look at there. There it is in all of its grandeur. Brand new top case. That's pretty right there. But, alright, well, we're gonna open it up because inside is all the goodies. I need a key. You can definitely tell it's like, I mean, that lock just moves so stiffly because it's brand new. Got install instructions. Bubble wrap. It's always important to have a good amount of bubble wrap. We got the, now this right here, give me my trusty screwdriver. There we go. This is the hardware and the mounting bracket. So there we have it. That's the mounting bracket for the top case. That's going to go on the back of the bike. So we're going to set that aside. There's the hardware. Take your hardware and set that aside too. And right here, more manuals. And this is the pillows. See, look at that. These suckers are $100. So my wife better be happy.
Always.
For these fancy smancy pillows and hardware. Now here's the top pillow.
I want to feel. I want to feel.
And then this is the back pillow. Well, it's not going to go on your head. But there it is. Just a quick look in the case. And then let me operate it real quick. This is the
extending bar.
Yep. So that goes up more. But yeah. Gets you some more range.
Storage.
Well, yeah, storage range. But there you go. Now we're going to go and install it, but that's going to be another video. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Have a nice day and God bless.